Is this the first time that a love team is featured in a horror movie? Meron ba? Before?
Marami na lang. Marami lang at the top of mind. So, you may now proceed with the question, Your Honor.
Oo. Thank you, Your Honor. Kasi parang ano, di ba parang they were basking on your love team tsaka kay JF yan, di ba? Does it elate you? Does it make you happy that you are being used as a major attraction in the horror movie?
Your bankability.
Oo, di ba?
Using those the word?
Utilizing na lang, Charles.
So, a great use kasi pag-utilizing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Chairman.
Ang hirap na nakatalang tanong po nito. Anong na-feel namin? Parang hindi naman po.
Kasi not everyone or not every love team is featured in a horror film. That's my point. Ngayon, dahil kayong ibig sabihin you're a big market attraction. Ibig sabihin, meron kayong box office appeal. Diba?
So, tingin mo siya ba, Abigail keeps on utilizing or giving you projects sa mga horror? Sa mga projects?
Teacher na, no?
Ngayon, horror, oo.
Honestly po, hindi ko rin po alam kung bakit ibibigay po nila ng successful, no? Pero ang lagi lang naman po namin sasabihin at ibabalik kayo sa salamat. Pero yung kaya po na sinabi niyo na may box office appeal, we would take it as a compliment. Maraming salamat po. Pero I think hindi rin naman po ito gagawin ng legal kung wala rin kami kaaktibat na maitawin ng episode na ito. Of course, we have J.F. Yang, we have Karina Bautista, we have sila Ame Ablan, Sasa. I would say it's all of us more than kami lang po. Yung lahat ng platforms namin, I would say lahat kami po, hindi lang po yung kami. Pero yung pinagpapasalamat po namin, no, na the questions, parang the curiosity is parang na pupunta po sa amin or sa J.M. sa iba po. Pero parang ako po, the way I see it is we are a team and ito yung mga hanggang namin at hard work at lahat ng dedication ng sa episode na ito. I would say lahat na not popularity, pero yung influence na meron kami sa kanya-kanya namin platforma ang nagsama-sama sa amin dito at iyanin po siguro sa inilagay dito na lang susunod.
Okay. My last question. For my last question, what is the palpable truth about your relationship? I'm not asking for labels, I'm asking for the palpable truth.
Palpable truth.
About our
relationship.
Ako ang lalaki. Ang katotohanan ko dyan, actually. Sa plano na po namin, we have promises. Yun po yung katotohanan. Pero hindi pa po, wala pang final bagsak. Wala pang fixed calls. Wala pang fixed names. Kumbaga, naplano lang yun. Napag-usapan na namin sa telepono ng 2 oras at sa personal ng mga 3 oras.
Reklama namin.
Thank you.
Nagpaplano ba magkakaibigan? Charot na yun na naman.
Okay.
Hindi ako makakalimutan.
Kanina. siya rin naman kinikilig sa mga...
Parang may understanding.
May understanding.
Okay. I think we had enough.
Ano malalim na yung
We're
understanding.
still willing to meet you.
Yeah,
Again, thank you for coming. Ito na po ang reason why meron siyang